How to set up Authenticator app for Unifi account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up Authenticator app for Unifi account. For that, first of all, you will need to open any web browser on your device. Here, I have launched my Chrome browser. Once on the browser, in the search bar, you need to type in ui.com. Now press the enter button to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Unifi. Once you reach to this page, here you will need to make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, in this page at the top right, you'll be able to see the profile icon. Click on the profile icon and from this drop down select Manage Account option. Once you select this option, now you will be redirected to this page. Here at the left side, you will be able to see Security option. Click on Security. And here you will need to click on this to make changes in security settings in order to unlock the security settings. Once you click on it, here you will be asked to enter your password. Enter your password in this box. Make sure to enter it correctly. And once you enter your password, click on this unlock button right here. After that, you will be able to unlock the security settings. Once you unlock it, now at the right side of this multi-factor authentication, you will be able to see Add New Method. Click on this button. Here you can click on this Other Methods and select this App Authentication. Also, if you have downloaded UI Verify application on your mobile device, then you may also choose the first option. Once you click on the first option, now it will display the QR code. After that, here you will need to open your UI Verify application on your device. And in this page, tab on Add Account. Now you can choose Scan QR code option at the top and now scan the QR code from your device. Once you scan your QR code, you can see at the top, you have successfully set up Authenticator for Unifi account. Also, if you use any other Authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator, you may need to enter the code generated by this Authenticator in the provided field. After that, you will be able to set up Authenticator for Unifi account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.